Hi, welcome to iCAD Systems. Before you do anything with your project in Revit, you need to make sure you are using the right project units. As if the project appears to show the imperial unit, you might need to change it back to matrix if you want. So in order to do that, you need to go to Manage and click Project Units. You can go to blank and click the format and changing the units to millimeters, and change the area format to square meters, and you can also change the volume format to cubic meters. Press OK, and let the angle be decimal degrees. And for the slope, you might need to change it to decimal degrees as well. Now you have all the units changed for the whole project. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.